So welcome back. We are going to discuss about the slope of a line. First, we define the slope. Slope or gradient is a measure of steepness now given 2 points x1, y1, and another point B, x2, y2 in the plane, then the slope of the line segment joining A and B is given by the slope, let's call it M. M is given by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Which is the same thing as saying y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Simply, gradient of slope is rise over run, which is actually change in y over change in x. So this is the definition of gradient. So note the symmetry y2, y1, x2, x1, or y1, y2, x1, x2. So example, find the slope of the line joining the following pairs of points. So 1, 3, and 4, 5. Now to find this solution, you say slope, which is m, is change in y over change in x, which is given by y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So y2 is 5, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, x1 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2, 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is 4 minus x1 is 1. So you see, it's always good to label so that you don't confuse. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So x1 is 1. So this will give us 2 over 3. Number 2, minus 2, 3, and 0, 2. So Can label this as x1, y1, x2, y2. So gradient is change in y over change in x, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is 2 minus 3 over 0 minus 2. So this will be 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 0 minus 2 is 2. So we get this is minus a half. Remember, even interchanging and saying for this case, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2, we'll get y1 is 3, y2 is 5, x1 is 1, x2 is 4. This is negative 2 over negative 3, which is still 2 over 3. And this one will be y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2 will give us 3 minus 2 over minus 2 minus 0, which is 1 over minus 2. So still get the same negative a half. And then next, minus 2, 7, and 4, 5. So by definition, m is change in y over change in x, which is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. And then call this one x1, y1, x2, y2. So we'll have 5 minus 7, 4 minus 2, which is minus 2 over 6, which is minus a third. And D, the line joining 2 minus 5 and 4, k has gradient -1. Work out the value of k. So this is application of the formula for finding gradient. So I'll say, by definition, m is change in y over change in x, which is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So if we call this one x1, y1, this one x2, y2, and then this is our m, so it means that -1 equals to y2 is k minus 5 over x2 is 4 minus 2. So that we'll have -1 equals to k plus 5 over 2. Because multiplying, we get -2 equals to k plus 5. Now collecting like terms means k equals to -2 minus 5, which is -7. So that's how we determine the slope of line segment joining 2 points and how we apply the formula to solve unknowns in the equation.